There's multiple ways how you can go back on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let me show you all of them. First of all, you can use the voice access. When you click on this icon, you can say go back. There we go, just like this. But also what you can do, you can simply swipe from the left or the right edge of the screen, like this, to go back to the previous screen. And you can do this from the left upper corner, from the left bottom corner, or from the middle of the screen. You can do this slowly, like me, or you can do this quickly, like so. You can also find some buttons in the settings, like for example this one in the left upper corner, to go back. But also you can get a classic back button. So to do that, go for the settings, for the display settings, select navigation bar and select buttons. Take a look right now, we can go back by clicking this classic back button.